What if I told you that if your belief and your desire are no longer in alignment, it makes it harder for you to accomplish your goals? Belief and desire are two mighty forces that drive our ambition. But when they're at odds, when our deeply held beliefs clash with the desire that we yearn for, the things that we set, it creates a tug of war. So I want you to think about something that you may have set out for yourself as a goal in the past, and maybe you didn't reach the goal. I want you to deeply internalize where you were at that time and what your actual internal belief was about yourself, or the unconscious ideas that you may hold on to. This conflict will always hamper your progress. No matter how strong the desire is, your belief lays a foundation, okay, for your ability to accomplish the desires that you have set out to achieve. So take a moment and think about, are you in harmony right now with your desire and with your belief? If not, I need you to understand that it's time for a mindset shift. You need to be able to have an alignment between the two, so that way you can easily move towards the goals that it is that you have set out for yourself. So share in the comments, have you ever had any conflicting belief that has held you back from accomplishing some of your goals?